Well, it's January 15th. This is an update from Logan. So, he had his last chemotherapy. It was probably early October. Kind of ran late because we had some other issues. But then we had his scans in November. Everything looked cancer-free. So, it is, like I said, January 15th. We're coming up on the second set of scans at the end of January. And I'm expecting it's going to be the same outcome. He's doing really good. So he had his surgery in June. Yeah, it was the first part of June. He had his surgery on his leg, got his femur and hip and knee replaced. So he's been doing physical therapy for, ever since he got out of surgery. I mean, they got him up and going right away. Physical therapy. And so he's been slowly progressing. And my wife had asked a physical therapist, I don't know, it was back maybe in August, hey, will he be walking by Christmas? There's no guarantee of anything. So we're at physical therapy. It was the Thursday before Christmas. And I kind of been pushing him, hey, try not to use the cane, try not to use the walker, see how it feels, get some more balance, try to balance without the cane or the walker. So the Thursday before Christmas, we went in physical therapy, and we walk in physical therapy, and I'm like, I took his cane away. I'm like, well, show the physical therapist what you can do. And he's walking without his cane or walker, and he's doing good. So then it was the Friday after, the next day, all of a sudden he's walking around the house and he don't have his cane or walker. So that was our Christmas present. Walking before Christmas. So ever since then, I don't think he's used his cane or walker since the Friday before Christmas, which is amazing. So he had his hip, femur, and knee replaced, and 6 months later he's walking. I'm not saying he's walking great. It's not like he's normal. Give you an example. It's kind of like putting one boot on and leaving one boot off. That's how he kind of walks. But he walks. Can't complain. So it's amazing that 6 months after this huge surgery, he's up and walking, doing what he should, or trying to do what he can. So he's been, his buddies come over, he goes outside, he tries to do what normal 13-year-olds do to a certain extent, because, obviously you can't run, play hide and go seek, but he's up with his buddies walking around out by the fire. They have fires every so often. Seems like at my house they're always having their buddies over and having a fire in the backyard. That's the thing. So that's super amazing. So Logan was part of the Make-A-Wish Foundation. They got him in the Make-A-Wish Foundation or program, and just trying to find my stop here. And he's trying to figure out what he wanted to do. If he wanted to go travel somewhere, figure out what he wanted to do. He didn't know what he wanted to do. So here it is a few months later. You know, we told Make-A-Wish, hey, you know, he kind of wants something he can get around the yard with. You know, go to his fishing spots and just be able to, you know, try to be normal. You know, he's got a mobility issue. And so what his wish was is, you know, he wanted a custom golf cart. So here it is months later. They actually, you know, Make-A-Wish came through and they got us, well, got him a custom golf cart. And he's got LED lights, he's got custom rims, he's got custom paint job, he's got a radio on it. So he's super geeked about that, but it's so cold he can't drive it right now, which is kind of a bummer. We went out, we're like, last night I was like, all right, well, let's, you know, get on your golf cart and we'll take the garbage out. So he was down for that and got out, took the garbage out, even though it was like, I don't know, 2 degrees above zero last night. And he got out and he was driving around having a blast, and you know, the thing goes through a little snow, and he was having fun last night. So, but we got some, like I said, we got some more scans coming up here in the end of January. I expect those to be the same as they were in November. You know, it's every 3 months he has these scans, and he's doing good. He's doing really good. He had a good Christmas. He had, you know, he's just back to school doing normal stuff. I mean, he's homeschooled, but he's back to school and just trying to be a normal 13-year-old. So, but now we are, you know, we're feeling the effects of the cancer, you know, the whole family, because we're trying to dig out from bills. It's just extremely hard. We did one guy over in the UK, Big Clive. He had mentioned something about, you know, hey, I'm having a hard time. Everyone did come through. Well, a lot of people came through with some donations to GoFund Me, which was extremely helpful. Pay some bills, but we're still in, you know, we're still in that situation where we got to pay bills. It's just, it's hard, you know. So, but other than that, I wouldn't say it's back to normal, but you know, it's as normal as it's going to be. And it's just day by day, you know, it's still day by day. It's just everything's catching up right now. That's the whole name of the game. And it's a new year, so hopefully this year's better than last year. And we'll go from there. That's all we can do. Well, you know what you need to do? Hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo, the Amazon wish list. And we'll see you in the next update, which will probably be here in a few weeks. It's been a few months. It's just that we've been busy with the holidays and so on. So we'll see you on the next update. Thanks, everyone.